Ian's dancing. What's that? Are those for the car? Yeah. Eliza, you want to say to the camera your new word? Say Amanda. Amanda. And who else can we say? Can you say Tula? Can you say Emmy? Can you say Ian? Ian. You can say all kinds of words now. No. You guys are funny. Bye-bye. And they're gone. Cuckoo. Ian, did you say cuckoo? Cuckoo. Oops, French. Cuckoo. Careful now. Cuckoo. Bye-bye.